Okay, good morning everyone. I'm going to show you how to fold a duffel bag. So first, empty the duffel bag and flatten it out. You want the handle to be facing down and you want the open end of the duffel bag to be away from you. Make sure that this grommet up here is in the middle. That'll help you out a lot. So you're going to take the straps, and you're going to make it nice and straight. You're going to take the bottom of the duffel bag and fold it into this hexagon football shape. Then, starting from the left, you're going to fold it in thirds. So you're going to do a third over from the left side, and then you're going to fold the straps nice and smooth, and then you're going to fold a third in from the right side and cover up that strap. Now you're almost done. You're going to fold in thirds starting from the bottom now. So you do a third from the bottom, and then the third from the top. You take your little clip, you clip all the ends to get them nice and together, flip it over, you're done. You have the handle on top, that's how you know you did it right, and you have nothing else flapping around.